Hello everyone, Edwin here, and today I'm going to show you how to use PhET Interactive Simulations on SmilePi. This application allows us to do simulations, especially on science subjects like physics, mathematics, chemistry, and let's check it out. So you go to Learn Science, and then let's do concentration. Concentration is supposed to be in chemistry, I think. So for concentration, this is a pipe for water. This is a pipe to let the water out, and this is a salt shaker or a pepper shaker. And then so you can choose between a solid or a liquid or a solution. You can also choose other things. So here it is a drink mixed, but you can choose other chemicals here. Let's first try a nickel. Yeah, nickel 2 chloride or something. Yeah, let's try a nickel. Okay, so this is water without anything in it. If you want to empty it up, you have to just open the tap and it will all go. Yeah, if you want to add water, you just open there and water will be up there. Okay, if you want to shake, you can choose between a solution or solid. So let's try with a solid. Let's use a pepper salt shaker and shake the solid into the water. So as you can see, as you shake, pours into the water color starts to change. So the more you pour, the more it gets concentrated. Yeah? And when you add water on it, the concentration level goes down. Yeah? So to check the concentration level, get this here and put it inside the tank, and you will see the concentration level is 2.845. Now if you allow water to evaporate like this, you can see the concentration level is going up. Yeah, concentration level is going up. Now if you add water, the concentration level goes down, as you can see. Let me remove the solid and remove the water. You can also add solution. Okay, let's change this to solution, and then you just squeeze. Okay, that is 1 milliliter. So let's it is 5, concentration level is 5, but as we add water, it starts going down. Yeah, and here the concentration level is 0.55. So that means the more water is added, the less concentration it gets, and the less water is added, the more concentration it gets. Yeah, so you can remove it from here or pour the entire thing out from here, and you're done. So that is a concentration simulation. There is also force. There is fraction matcher, friction, mathematics, graphic lines. So let's check graphic lines. That was chemistry. This is now mathematics. Slope and intercept. Let's check that one. It's loading. Okay. So this is in mathematics, mostly in algebra. We I don't know. Yeah, it is in algebra. Yeah, I don't know which topic that is in, but as you can see, this shows you the line of the slope. Yeah, so this is this is the x, this is the y. Yeah, so if y is 3 and if y is equal to 3 out of 2x plus 1, this is what you get. So the slope is 3 and 2. 3 out of 2. Y is 3. So 3 out of 2. This is what you get. So you can add as many. So you keep playing with this. And this is the formula. You can even change this one to 2. So it shows you in real time. So as you enter, you see how it plots. Yeah. So it is very important. So this can help us a lot, especially those ones, especially during math time. It will help us. So as you are teaching it, you show them, you show the learners how exactly it does. It is very, 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 very helpful. So let us use the simulation. This is point slope. Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. The same thing. So all you have to do is enter the equation, plug in the figures, and then you get the line. So simulation is very important, especially in learning, because it allows us to see for ourselves how certain things are the results for certain experiments or certain things. So let us use this to enrich ourselves and with science skills, and it shouldn't let us fear science, because after seeing how this thing happens, it should be easy for you now to go, and easy for you to remember. Yeah, easy for you to remember. It should be very easy for you to remember. So let's try it. Let's use it. It is up there on the Smile Pi. Open it and play around with it, so that by the time you are done, you know a lot of things in science. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for sparing time and watching this. Please stay with us and we'll keep you updated on everything. If you have question, post it on the comment section below and we'll get back to you. Thank you so much. May God bless you.